Okay, this is Mark 3 of a homemade water filter using a new plant pot, 1.5 litres. It's 15 centimetres diameter, an 11 centimetre base for a plant pot, which is going to go there to act as a barrier between the filter and the water chamber. 2 pieces of terry toweling, 100% cotton. One goes in the bottom of the pot and the other one goes over the top of the activated charcoal. Some boiled, washed pebbles and some activated charcoal. And a recycled glass lemonade container with a tap. You can get them from supermarkets, and this one unfortunately has a plastic tap which will eventually be replaced with a brass or a stainless steel one if I can find one. So first of all, you put your terry toweling into the bottom of the pot, and you want the smallest pebble, in my case actually the next size pebble up, which fits neatly into the hole but doesn't completely block it up. Then what you do is pour in the rest of the pebbles and arrange them roughly around the central one so that the central one doesn't move about too much. Then you pour in your activated charcoal on top. You need the activated charcoal to be about 2 centimetres, 4 centimetres deep, 3 to 4. And then pop the next lot of terry toweling over the top. What this does is just keep it nice and secure. And then your 11 centimetre bottom goes on the top. That keeps it all nice and secure in there. And then you pop the pot. Mine is 15 centimetres at the top and 10 at the bottom, and this lemonade container dispenser is 12.5 around here, so it sits neatly in there. Then all you need to do is top up the filter. I've got one stray activated charcoal piece, which doesn't matter too much. It won't end up in the water anyway. And that is your water filter. And that's the lid. Ta-da!